Not a great surprise, but it was a bit like a wake. You know, an old friend was passing.
Actually, I was on the last train that left from San Francisco. I rode from San Francisco to Sacramento. And all along the way,